Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are fine. Students, yesterday we have done two topics, phrase and interrogative sentences by using simple past tense. Today we will do next two topics, reflexive pronouns and superlative degree of adjective. So we will revise these topics. So listen this carefully. First one is reflexive pronouns. Now look at this. A reflexive pronoun is used when the subject and object of the sentence are the same. Means sentence में subject और जो object है वो same होते हैं. These are some reflexive pronouns: myself, yourselves, himself, herself, itself, ourselves and themselves. Now I will tell you some examples of reflexive pronouns. So listen this carefully. Students, reflexive pronoun. इसे reflexive pronoun क्यों कहते हैं? क्योंकि रिफ्लेक्सिव pronoun इज़ ऑब्जेक्ट, जैसे माई सेल्फ है, इसमें जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो सब्जेक्ट को रिफ्लेक्ट करता है. इन दिस सेंटेंस माई सेल्फ इज़ ऑब्जेक्ट और वो किसको रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है? आई को, सब्जेक्ट को. सो दैट्स वाई दिस इज़ कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्सिव pronoun. नाउ इन दिस सेंटेंस आई मेड अ कॉफ़ी फॉर माई सेल्फ. मैंने अपने लिए कॉफ़ी बनाई. सो इन दिस सेंटेंस subject and object are same. Rohan bought a pen for himself. Students, we use he for Rohan because Rohan is a boy name and reflexive pronoun is himself. So in this sentence subject and object are same because Rohan ने अपने लिए पेन खरीदा. Clear? Now same like this, we build a house for ourselves. In this sentence we and ourselves are same. हमने अपने लिए घर तामीर किया. So in this sentence subject and object are same. Now I will show you a list of reflexive pronouns, so you must learn this list. Students, here are some singular subject pronouns and some plural subject pronouns. We add self at the end of the singular reflexive pronouns and we add selves at the end of the plural subject pronouns. And you is singular and you is also plural. When we talk to one person, then you is singular and we write yourself. But when we talk to more than one persons, then you is plural and we write yourselves. Clear? So we use myself for I, yourself for singular you, himself for he, herself for she, itself for it, or any single thing. Now here are some plural subject pronouns. We use ourselves for we, yourselves for plural you, and themselves for they. Now last one is superlative degree of adjective. There are 3 degrees of adjective: positive, comparative and superlative. Now I will tell you about these degrees. So listen this carefully. पॉजिटिव डिग्री वो होती है जिसमें कोई कंपेयर नहीं होता. बट इन कंपेरेटिव डिग्री वी कंपेयर 2 पर्सन्स और 2 थिंग्स. एंड इन सुपरलेटिव डिग्री इसमें एक पर्सन या एक थिंग का कंपेयर ज़्यादा के साथ होता है. क्लियर? Now I will tell you some examples, then you will easily understand difference between these degrees. Students, now look at these sentences. First one is the strawberry is big. In this sentence there is no comparison. So this is positive degree. Now look at second, the apple is bigger than the strawberry. Here is comparison of 2 fruits. So this is comparative degree. Clear? Now third is the watermelon is the biggest of the fruits. In this sentence, we compare the watermelon to all fruits. So this is superlative degree. Clear? Students, the highlighted words in these sentences, big, bigger and biggest, are adjectives. Big is positive degree, bigger is comparative and biggest is superlative degree. In this activity, we will solve superlative degree. There are 3 rules for superlative degree, so listen this carefully. If 1 or 2 vowels are in a positive degree, then we add est at the end of the superlative degree. For example, bright is positive degree and here is only 1 vowel I. So brightest is superlative degree by adding est. Same like this clever, this is positive degree and here is 2 vowels in this word. So superlative degree is cleverest by adding est. Second rule is if more than 2 vowels are in a positive degree, then we add most before adjective. For example, beautiful is a positive degree and there are more than 2 vowels in this word, so most beautiful is superlative degree. Clear? Third rule is If y is at the end of the positive degree, then first of all we cut y, then we add iest at the end of the superlative degree. For example, happy is positive degree and superlative degree is happiest by cutting y and adding iest. स्टूडेंट्स दीज एडजेक्टिव्स आर कॉल्ड रेगुलर एडजेक्टिव्स क्योंकि ये एक रूल के अकॉर्डिंग बनाए जाते हैं. इफ़ 1 or 2 vowels then we add est, and if more than 2 vowels then we add most before adjective, and if y is at the end of the positive degree then we cut y and add iest at the end of the superlative degree. So these adjectives are called regular adjectives. Now I will tell you about irregular adjectives. Now I will tell you about irregular adjectives of superlative degree. Here is superlative degree is totally different from its positive degree. For example, bad is positive degree and superlative degree is worst. Good is positive degree and superlative degree is best. These are irregular adjectives of superlative degree. Clear? I hope you have clearly understood these grammar topics. Now you have to revise these grammar topics, and one English test will provide you after this video. So you have to solve this English test according to these grammar topics. So solve this test under the supervision of your parents. And after solving your test, you will must attach your test with your summer pack and you must write your name on your test. Clear? Do this work by yourself. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.